Hello, 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 and welcome back. Today we're going to subtract with tens mats. I've got my beans again that we're going to use, groups of 10, and I've got a few extra ones here in a K-cup, and I'm going to start off again today with a little story problem for you. Mrs. Radcliffe's class was given 37 brand new sharpened pencils. Let me write that down for you. We were given 37 brand new sharpened pencils. I want to share the sharpened pencils with Miss Schrader's class. She has 14 kids. If I give 14 of those pencils to Miss Schrader's class, will there still be enough for the 18 of us? Let's see. Remember that when we work a story problem, we have to use the numbers that we've been given. Think about what we're going to do. Remember our STAR model, seek to understand. What are we even trying to figure out? Well, we know we started with 37 sharpened pencils, and I'm going to give away 14 of them. Will there be at least 18 left? Well, let's see. Let's use our beans and K-cups to try to figure that out. So let's make 37, 10, 20, 30, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, there's 37. And we want to give 14 to Miss Schrader's class. We want to take away 14 of them, okay? So we're going to literally take away 14 of the sharpened pencils or beans, okay? So we're going to start in the ones. Remember, we always, in two-digit addition and subtraction, we always start in the ones place. So I'm going to take away, I have 7, I'm going to take away 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here's the 4 that I'm taking, the 4 ones that I'm taking away. How many ones are left? 3. And now I'm going to move on to the tens. I have 3 tens and I'm going to take away 1 10. That makes, together that makes 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 that I took away. So if I had 3 tens and I took 1 away, I now have 23. So if I have 23 sharpened pencils left, I had 37, I gave 14 to Miss Schrader, I have 23 left. Is that enough for our class? It sure is. There's only 18 of us, and we know that 23 is greater than 18. So there's more than enough for our class. Okay? Let's try a couple of more subtraction problems using our ones and tens mats, okay? Let's look at this one. How about we have 58, I'll go ahead and write them on the boogie board. If you don't have a boogie board, you should ask for one for your birthday because they are just fun. You can just do all sorts of stuff with them, erase and start over. We use this all the time. Okay, let's say we have 58 butterfly eggs that we found on a leaf. And let's say that only 24 of them hatched. How many did not hatch? Okay, we found 58 butterfly eggs, caterpillar eggs, and 24 of them hatched, and those 24 turned into butterflies and flew away. So how many were left that didn't hatch? All right, let's build 58 to start with. That's what we have to do. We have to start with our 58. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 52, 54, 56, and 58. Okay, there's our 58. 24 of them hatched, so let's count out the 24 that hatched. And remember, we start in the ones column. You're going to get tired of hearing me say that. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the 4. We had 8. We took away 4. We're left with 4. Then the tens column. We have 5. We're going to take away 2 of the tens. How many tens are left? 3. So we had 58 butterfly eggs. 24 of them hatched and flew away. Here's the 24 that hatched and flew away. Bye-bye. And so we know that 34 of them never hatched. Okay, let's try another problem. I bet you're getting the hang of this now. All right, let's say that after the storm, there were 45 limbs that had fallen out of trees and needed to be picked up out of the yard. 45 limbs. And let's say that, Caitlin picked up 35 of them. And I asked Presley to pick up the rest of them. How many was Presley going to have to pick up? There were 45 limbs that fell. Caitlin picked up 35 of them. How many is Presley going to have to pick up? Okay, we're going to build 45. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Caitlin's going to pick up 35. What are we going to do first? Start in the, yes, ones column. So we're going to take away the 5. We're going to take away all 5. 5, take away 5. We're going to take them all away. Now there's 5 of the limbs that Caitlin picked up. And when we take away those 5, how many do we have left? None. Now we need to move on to the tens. There were 40. Caitlin picked up 30, 10, 20, 30. Okay. There's our 35 that she picked up. If we had 40 and she picked up 30, that leaves us with one group of 10. Okay. So how many are left for Presley to pick up? Just 10. There aren't any extras. The extra ones, Caitlin already picked up. She picked up all 5 of the extra ones. So 45 minus 35 is 10. Presley only has to pick up 10. Lucky Presley. Okay? All right. Let me show you what you're going to see on your math worksheets today and how for you to work those out. Pick up all of our limbs and put them away. Okay, they're beans. And let me get this little worksheet out to show you. Let me get a dry erase marker. Okay, so this is what you'll see on your worksheets. So this problem is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. This is 65. I'll just write it over here. 65. And let's take away 21. And so what will that leave us with? Well, you know we have to start in the ones column. So what we'll do is we're just going to mark off one of those ones since we can't move them or peel them off the paper to actually take them away. But we do know that 5 take away 1 leaves us with 4. And we know that 6 take away 2 leaves us with 4. Okay, 5 take away 1 is 4. Make sure you get it, your answer right straight down in the ones column. 6 take away 2 is 4. And again, you make sure you keep it in that one in the tens column. So 65 minus 21 is 44. See how you'll just mark off the beans and the K-cups on your worksheet? Let's try one more. I know you can do this, but let's just try one more, okay? Here we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. We have 90, 1, 2, 3. And let's take away 31. Okay, so we're going to start in the ones column. We're going to take away 1. That leaves us with 2. Then we're going to move to the tens column, and we're going to take away 3. And that leaves us with 6. So 93 minus 31 is 62. You understand how to do that? All right, great. Okay, that's the end of our math lesson for today and for the week, last one for this week. And so today you're going to do math worksheet page 269 and 270. We'll see you next week. Bye.